A. Bring and take.
Take, like go, means from here to there. Bring, like come, means from there to here.
Are you going to school? Take your books.
Are you going to the kitchen? Can you bring me a glass?
Please take this form to the secretary.
Come to my house tomorrow and bring your guitar.
B. Bring somebody something. I've brought you some apples from my garden.
Oh, thank you.
When she visits me, she always brings me flowers.
C. Bring something back.
It's raining. You can take my umbrella and bring it back tomorrow.
This book is interesting.
Please take it with you and read it.
Thanks. I'll bring it back on Friday.
OK, no problem.